Hello everyone, I am Nitish Mandal and welcome to my channel. So in this video I am gonna just unbox this Boya BY-M1 mic, which is used by most of the YouTuber of the world, and I'm gonna give you overview and opinion about it. So watch the full video after a short intro. So this is the box that you can see, and you can see the model number, that is BY-M1, and you can see the branding and picture as well. So at the side also there is branding and model number, and here are some of the features and specification of the mic that you can see. There is a weight and other details as well, you can read it out. So now have a look on the box nicely. So let's unbox it. So this is the pouch, which is made up of resin, I think, and its quality is very good. And here's the branding of Boya, and at the inside also we can find some of the guides and manuals. So here are the specification written, and the guide also we get how to use, but this is very simple mechanism. This work on very simple mechanism, so we can just don't need to read all these manuals. So keep it aside and let's have a look on this pouch. So there is mic inside it and other equipment as well. So you can see here the wire is too much long, and let's have a look on inside. There is again one pouch and one silica gel. This is for protection, and here we can find some of the equipment that is for the mic only. So at first we get this LR44 battery that will put in the adapter of the mic so that it will work properly. It will work. So this is the battery, and another is, this is a foam made pop-up filter. So this helps to reduce the noise, that helps in noise reduction and get the premium quality of voice. And this is the clip that through the help of which we can just adjust our mic in color. And at last, this is I think 1:8 jack, 1:8 jack that we can connect to other devices as well, this mic. So this is the mic, and this is the wire of it. So the main mic is this portion is called mic, main mic is that, and you can see the wire is very long. It's about 6 meter, I think. So I've opened it. You can see the length is very long, and here also we get very long, so that we can connect our camera, phone, DSLR camera anywhere, and we can record at a distance also. It does not differ on sound quality. And here is the adapter. You can see here's the branding, and you can find the clip as well. Through the help of this clip we can adjust number bear down, and we can just use it. Now you can see the features over here, camera and smartphone. So when we'll enable in camera mode, then we'll be able to shoot the video through DSLR camera, and when we'll enable smartphone mode, then we can just click videos from our smartphone and record the audio. So here is a port again, and here we can put the battery inside so that our mic will work properly. Okay, so the battery is finally placed in its place, and now I'll just close the So finally I have kept the battery inside and I have closed it. So now let's put the pop-up filter, so the premium quality of the sound. and this is the clip through which we can adjust it, as I have told you before. So we'll just adjust it, and we can adjust it in our collar or in our t-shirt anyway, so the recording will be easier for us. So I'll put it on. So this is 1:8 jack, and you can see we have to connect to other device as well, and this is the jack through which we can connect. So this was the unboxing of the mic, and the sound that you are hearing right now is from the normal earphone, and the sound you will be hearing after this will be from the Boya mic. So let's compare this. So the sound that you are hearing just now is from Boya mic, and you can feel the premium quality of sound, and you can feel the difference between that earphone sound and this mic as well. And if you have budget, then you should probably go for this mic, because this is very good. And if you are a YouTuber or make cover songs, and if you want to record the qualitative audio, so you can go for this mic. And I bought this from Amazon. It cost me rupees about 1125. So this was the overview, opinion and review of this mic. And if you are new over here, then please subscribe, because I bring such interesting video, and like the video and share with your friends. So thank you once again for watching this video.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.